Leo, how are you doing? This is Falguni and I'm here to do your January monthly reading, and this will be of course for Leo, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus. Please check your placements before watching the reading. This will be a general reading, so it will not resonate with all of you, and so it is important that you check your placements before watching the reading, and in case the message does not lie in this reading, then it might be in some other placement of yours, so please watch accordingly. And also, if at any point you feel that the roles are reversed, so take it how it fits into your situation, how it resonates with you. If you want to book a personal reading with me, you may reach out to me on my email address given in the description box below. Okay, and so I will just begin with the reading, and let's go ahead and see what is coming in store for you in love. Leo, what is coming in store for you towards you in January? What is coming towards you in January in love? Let's see. What is coming towards you in January in love, Leo? Let's find out what is coming towards you in love for January. Let's see. The Lovers and the Page of Pentacles. So you will be getting a lot of communication with respect to someone you love, someone you deeply care about, someone you feel a divine connection with. Okay, and I also get that you might be also faced with a choice among two people. Okay, you will be forced to make a choice among two people and a decision among two people, that whom to communicate with and finally whom to connect with more. That is the decision you will be facing. So you'll be choosing one of the two people. That is what I get for future, for your lifelong ahead. Okay, very nice. This is what I get for you. Maybe it's the person who is doing that to you. So someone who you deeply love might communicate to you. What will be they talking to you about? Let's find out more. What will be they talking to you about? Let's see. Let's see. Oh, passion. So you have the devil and the empress. So they will be talking about obsessiveness. So they will be telling you that they're highly obsessed with you. They're very attracted to you and very obsessed with you, and sort of in a very lusty way. That is what I'm getting. They will also tell you that they find you very, nurturing and caring. That motherly type of vibes are in you. They will also tell you that. I mean, at the same time, so they will be quite drawn to you, but it will be a more of a lust full of energy. You get my point? It will be more of a lusty energy that I'm getting for you. All right, Taurus. Sorry, did I say Taurus? So it's for Leo. So that is for Leo, and let's see if you have any person on your mind. If you have any specific person on your mind. Okay, this person also would like to, no, I'm not getting that they want to be the mother of your children. No, they want to get involved with you in a sexual way. Yes, they're very full of lust towards you. This is what I'm getting. All right, let's move ahead and see if there is a person on your mind. What will the person on your mind doing towards you in January? Let's see, Leo. Okay, the person on your mind won't be doing anything, so you will basically feel left out in the cold. You will feel betrayed in some way. You will be stalking them heavily. You will be watching them from far, but you won't be able to do much about it because you feel that this person is completely ignoring you. This person is completely bypassing you. This person is completely, separated their ways from you in some way. You feel that there is a third party energy, or you feel very, very heartbroken about the situation in some way. This is what I'm getting. Okay, Leo. All right. But why is it so? Why is this person ignoring you? Why are you feeling heartbroken? What is the reason? Let's dig in. Okay, because of uh, because you feel that this person is very hurt from someone or something from a past relationship or commitment, and this person is trying to be strong and trying to move on from the situation, but they haven't fully recovered. This is what you feel. They're still in the past memories, or they linger in the past a lot. This is what you feel. Or maybe they are doing this because they feel that the marriage is not possible with you. They don't see you as commitment material, or maybe they don't want to commit to you for whatever reason. They don't love you, or they don't feel that emotion towards you. So they are basically withdrawing themselves from you for the same reason. Let's see if there is any new person coming towards you, Leo. What will be their energy like? If there is any new person coming towards you, let's see. Let's see, Leo. New person. Any new person? Any new person? Okay. So the new person will be Ace of Cups and the Five of Swords. So new person will be very dramatic, melodrama, heavily emotional and heavily full of drama. I mean, they will come towards you and create a whole havoc in your life in some way. I mean, they will be full of drama, very emotional, very moody, very, that kind of energy where they, want things their way. They will be very stubborn also. That is what I am getting. But they will see you as a soulmate, and they will be ready to offer a cup of love towards you, ready to have a new beginning with you. Okay, why is it that they're full of drama? Why is there any specific reason? I don't see any specific reason, but they are that way. Their nature is such. I mean, they like to create drama, and they like to, they're a little immature, childish, you can say. Okay, so they will create drama around you, saying that you don't care about them, you're always sneaking away, you're not focused on them, you don't care about them, you don't talk to them, you don't give them enough time, and you hide certain things from them, you lie to them, you are not honest with them. This is what they will fight with you about. All right, let us see your guidance in love for the month of Jan. Okay, guidance for Leo for the month of Jan. What is the guidance for Leo for the month of Jan? Let's see. I'm sorry, just a second. Guidance for Leo for the month of Jan. Let's find out what is the guidance for you for the month of Jan. Guidance for you for the month of Jan, Leo, for love. So the guidance is you need to be intense. If you are like in love, if you are focused on someone, if you love someone, show it to them. Show that you are all about them. Show it to them, be focused on them, give them time, give them your energy, so that it can grow, it can feel abundant, it can go to that level where you want it to be. If you really want it to be, you need to be serious about that person, you need to express that to that person at the same time. So that is guidance for you. All right, Leo, I hope you enjoyed this. Okay, we will have your career reading also shortly. I'm sorry. All right, so we'll see your career as well. We'll quickly check in your career as well. All right, so we have career. What is coming towards you in your career, Leo, for the month of Jan? What is coming towards you in your career for the month of Jan? Let's find out what is coming towards you in your career for the month of Jan. Let's see. The Devil and the Fool. So you are basically tied in a negative pattern, in a negative cycle around something. So it involves a high level of risk. You are not able to come out of the situation somehow. because it's very risky and you're currently stuck in a loop of negative patterns. You need to bring yourself out of the situation, you need to pull yourself out of the situation. You're being very defensive, you're trying to protect yourself, but you don't know how to come out of the situation. Is you need to break the cycle. Whatever patterns you have been following, whatever methods you have been following, you need to ditch those methods and change your perspective. Start doing something new, start doing something differently, and that is how you will be able to bypass this negative cycle that has been cuddling you, that has been uh, strangling you since quite some time. This is what I get. Why is the devil here? Let's clarify it further and see. Why is the devil here? Why is the devil here? Why is the devil here? Yes. So devil is because you are not feeling happy about the situation. Something negative I have told you, and you are very exhausted also. You're taking breaks from time to time. You're no taking breaks very often because you're not able to come out of this toxic negative cycle which you are stuck in. Okay. Something more. Okay, I also see that you have big dreams, you have big goals in your life which you're trying to achieve, but at the same time, there is a lot of uncertainty in the air. You are not very optimistic about the situation. You see a lot of negativity around the situation. That is, how will this happen? How will this go right? How will this illusions, a lot of illusions, lack of determination to move forward. I mean, you are not sure, yourself is not very confident about the situation. You need to change your mindset, you need to change your aura, you need to change your thinking pattern so that something good can take place in your life. Anything else for Leo in their career for Jan? You need to focus more on collaborations, teamwork, team efforts, so that it can give you better outcomes. You cannot do it solo because when you are doing it solo, you are being pretty on and off. You are not able to focus on it fully. Sometimes you are in the mood of doing things, and on other days you don't feel like doing anything. I mean, you are stuck somewhere because of maybe your personal life is affecting you in some way or some form. I don't know, or maybe because you are um, or maybe because you are or maybe because you are stuck, that is, you are not able to contribute fully in for some reason, and so to correct this, to improve this, you need to have people around you who can keep you motivated, who can keep you fulfilled, and who can help you contribute better, because their efforts will also help you to go across. I mean, their efforts will also help you to bridge the gap, their efforts will also help you to go to a certain level, right? So do not worry. Alright, what is the guidance for you in your career, Leo, for the month of Jan? What is the guidance for you for your career for the month of Jan? Guidance for you for the month of Jan. Let's see. So, guidance is that you need to have a new vision, new perspective, new kind of goals, or new kind of set patterns. I told you, you're stuck in a negative loop. You need to come out of that. How will you come out of that? Is by having a new vision for yourself, new pattern, new perspective altogether. So you cannot be stuck on the same kind of methods or values because it's not giving you results. Okay, it's, if you're supposing having a bad routine, you need to change that so that things can work in your favor. It's similar to that. Okay, so you need to also explore the possibilities around you, and develop that perfect vision for yourself that aligns with your goal in life, dream in life, goal not, but dream in life. All right, so that is what I have for you, Leo. Okay, it was a pleasure connecting with you like always. I will see you soon in my next reading. Till then, stay happy and stay blessed. I love you, Leo. Thank you. Namaste.